You know that feeling when you're trying to book a haircut, a massage, or maybe even a dog grooming session, and you're staring at an online calendar, wondering what all those different appointment types actually mean? Do you click service, class, or resource? Is block time just a fancy way of saying busy? If you've ever felt a flicker of confusion while navigating the world of online booking, especially with a powerful platform like Vagaro, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating and sometimes bewildering universe of Vagaro appointment types. Understanding these isn't just about making your life easier when you're the one booking. It's absolutely crucial if you're a business owner using Vagaro to manage your schedule, your staff, and ultimately your success. Think about it. Correctly categorizing your services leads to clearer customer communication, streamlined operations, and optimized revenue. Incorrectly doing so can lead to missed bookings, frustrated clients, and a whole lot of administrative headaches. So buckle up because we're about to demystify every single appointment type Vagaro offers, breaking down what they are, who they're for, and why they matter. We'll explore how each type serves a unique purpose in the intricate dance of scheduling, from individual client sessions to group activities, and even internal staff management. By the end of this video, you'll be a Vagaro appointment type connoisseur, able to navigate its booking system with confidence and expertise. Let's kick things off with arguably the most common and fundamental appointment type: services. This is your bread and butter. Services represent individual, one-on-one appointments with a staff member. Think of your classic hair appointment, a personalized facial, a single massage session, or a private tutoring lesson. When a client books a service, they are reserving a specific block of time with a specific individual for a predefined offering. Vagaro allows you to define the duration, price, and even the resources required for each service. This is the cornerstone for most salons, spas, individual trainers, and anyone offering a personalized, time-based interaction. The beauty of the service type is its simplicity and directness, making it incredibly intuitive for both clients and staff. Moving on, we have classes. While services are typically one-on-one, classes are designed for group participation. Imagine a yoga studio, a fitness boot camp, a cooking class, or a painting workshop. With classes, you set a maximum capacity, a start and end time, and a price per participant. Vagaro's class functionality allows clients to book their spot within a larger group, and you can easily see how many spots are left, who is signed up, and even manage waitlists. This appointment type is essential for businesses that thrive on communal experiences and want to maximize the use of their space and staff by serving multiple clients simultaneously. It's about leveraging efficiency and creating a vibrant, shared experience. Next up, let's talk about workshops. These are similar to classes in that they involve groups, but they often imply a more intensive, focused, and sometimes multi-session learning experience. Think of a weekend-long photography workshop, a 2-day business seminar, or an intensive coding bootcamp. Vagaro's workshop type provides flexibility for defining longer durations, potentially with breaks, and for managing more complex registration processes. While you could technically run a workshop as a series of classes, the workshop designation often communicates a different level of commitment and a more structured, in-depth curriculum. It's about delivering a comprehensive, often transformative, learning journey. Now, let's explore courses. Similar to workshops, courses are typically structured learning programs, but they often span a longer period and are broken down into multiple sequential sessions. Consider a beginner's guitar course running once a week for 8 weeks, or a certified esthetician program that extends over several months. Vagaro's course feature allows you to bundle multiple classes or sessions together, often offering a discounted price for the entire program. This is ideal for educational institutions, skill-based training centers, or anyone providing a progressive learning path. It simplifies the booking process for clients who are committing to a long-term educational journey and provides a clear overview of their progress. Beyond client-facing appointments, Vagaro also offers types that are crucial for internal management. One such type is block time. This is often overlooked but incredibly powerful. Block time is essentially a way to mark a period on your calendar as unavailable for client bookings, but without associating it with a specific service or class. Why would you need this? Think about staff meetings, lunch breaks, administrative tasks, cleaning time, or even personal appointments. Block time ensures that your calendar accurately reflects your true availability, preventing accidental double bookings and allowing you to allocate time for essential non-client activities. It's about safeguarding your time and ensuring smooth internal operations. Then we have resources. This appointment type is less about booking a person and more about booking a thing. Imagine a massage studio with multiple treatment rooms, a photography studio with different backdrops and lighting setups, or a gym with specific pieces of equipment. Vagaro's resource booking allows clients or staff to reserve these physical assets. You can link resources to specific services, ensuring that a particular service can only be booked if the necessary resource is available. This is vital for businesses where specific equipment or spaces are shared and need to be allocated efficiently to avoid conflicts and maximize utilization. It's about optimizing your physical assets and ensuring everything is in its right place at the right time. Finally, we have events. This is a broad category that can encompass a wide range of happenings that might not fit neatly into a service or class. Think of open house days, promotional gatherings, product launch parties, or free consultation days. Events in Vagaro allow you to set up registration for these unique occurrences, often with no direct cost, or with a fixed ticket price. You can track attendees, manage RSVPs, and promote your special happenings. This type is perfect for generating buzz, attracting new clients, and building community around your business. It's about creating memorable experiences that extend beyond your regular offerings and fostering a deeper connection with your audience. So, from the personalized touch of a service to the communal energy of a class, the in-depth learning of a workshop or course, the internal efficiency of block time, the asset management of resources, and the promotional power of events, Vagaro provides a comprehensive toolkit for managing virtually any type of appointment your business could conceive. Understanding each of these categories isn't just about checking boxes. It's about strategically leveraging the platform to optimize your schedule, empower your staff, delight your clients, and ultimately, grow your business. The right appointment type can be the difference between a chaotic calendar and a perfectly orchestrated day. It's about clarity, control, and maximizing every moment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.